So have you ever wished your phone's wallpaper could adjust automatically to match your light or dark mode? So whether you're using a Galaxy phone or Infinix or Tecno, OnePlus, Xiaomi, or an iPhone, this trick will transform your entire phone experience. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set different wallpapers for light and dark modes on your smartphone. And even when your phone doesn't support this feature natively, I'll show you the alternative way to achieve it. So don't scroll, this tip is for everyone. So on your Samsung, long press on your lock screen, on your home screen light, or long press on and to open this wallpaper and style, tap it, and then here you will see the current wallpaper preview for both your home and your lock screen. Okay, now if you now toggle this where it says dim wallpaper when dark mode is on, toggle it on. But if your phone is not exactly like mine, if you when you touch the change wallpapers, if maybe you have the option labeled dark mode wallpaper, you select your preferred image for when dark mode is enabled, then select a different wallpaper for when light mode is enabled. So if your phone is not exactly like mine, try touching the change wallpaper here and then select a different image for dark mode and a different one for light mode. Okay, so this feature is available on most Samsung phones with One UI 5 and above. But if you're a Tecno or Infinix or Xiaomi, you may not see this setting, but I'll show you what to do shortly. So for these other phones that don't support automatic switching, here is a workaround. Install an app like dark mode wallpaper. The name of the app is dark mode live wallpaper, from the Play Store. It lets you link different wallpapers to your system theme and auto switches them, just like Samsung's native feature. So iPhone users can do this using shortcuts and automation. So for best results, use a high contrast wallpaper for light mode and a subtle darker one for dark mode. So this reduces glare at night and gives your phone a polished, customized feel. So if you're using a widget, pick wallpapers that don't clash with your widget colors. So this keeps your home screen neat and easy on the eyes. And that's it. Your wallpaper now changes with your phone's theme, making your phone smarter, sleeker, and easier on the eye. Now don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for more tips. Drop your device name in the comments. I'll reply with customized tips just for you.